Hello, ladies and gentlemen, back for another legit food review. Today, we're eating, unfortunately, top ramen. It has no fucking nutrition. It is going to kill you. But, I'm gonna eat it fucking anyway, because fuck this shit, I'm out. Actually smells like fucking dead fish. And it tastes like shit, but down the hatch it goes. Very crunchy. I didn't know ramen was supposed to be very fucking crunchy. Delicious. It's it definitely tastes, and not in a good way. Actually, it's pretty fucking dry. So, I'm gonna fix this with some fucking lime juice. That's a fucking drink of champions, motherfucker! Delicious. Oh, fuck. Wait a minute. Isn't ramen supposed to be like a soup? Fuck. I think we might have fucked up, but it'll be a soup in my stomach. I have 2 ramens now. But fucking more for me. Okay. Rating time, motherfuckers. So, out of ramen, there's no other fucking ramen. 10 out of 10, because it's the only fucking ramen I've eaten in like a fat year. Of every other food, a fucking 2. Like, it doesn't taste good, that's for sure. But fuck. It definitely doesn't taste good, but I guess it doesn't taste like shit. So, in comparison, I'm not giving it a 5, which is literally anything that's somewhat decent, but I'm gonna give it a 3, because fuck it, why not? Don't fucking buy this, unless you're dumb, and don't fucking eat it undercooked. It's slightly raw, I think, maybe, possibly, but, you know, there's really no reason to eat this. So, ladies and gentlemen, Charlie is saying, do not eat this fucking piece of shit. I'll see you in another video. We are, we have more in the works, and, yeah, so, be sure to like and subscribe if you want us to do more dumb shit. Yeah, also, whoever said to throw the bags out the fucking window in the other videos, no, we're not going to throw the bags out of the window. There's no point in throwing the bags out the window. We're just being assholes. I mean, we're assholes, but not that kind of asshole. We only eat them. Alright, see you guys in another video.